Well, we've cut well, those lines were, we cut that top of the joist to the center. And right now I'm putting in boards to support this area. And then I'm going to put a 2x6 all the way up to the floor. This is it. I'm going to use the three-inch screw to tie it all together. I don't want any movement, so then that cracks the ceramic. Try to control the movement as much as possible. I'm going to put screws at an angle right through here. Alright. Now, I'm going to get a 2x so it doesn't interfere with the bottom down here, because I'm going to support all this from underneath with beams that I make and support down to the ground, so that this area will have a lot of support because there's going to be a wheelchair on it. So the next thing I'm going to do is put a 2x across here, 1 inch down, because this is really close to be trying to cut out. And I'm going to build out a 1/2 inch here, almost 1 inch out, so I don't think the wheelchair will ever be, there'll be 1.5 inches of mud here, and then it'll drop down to the 1 inch, 1 3/4 mud here. And I'll put a 2x across here, all the way across 1 inch down, or 2 3/4 down here. It'll go all the way across. And then I'll put 2x across here, here, so that I'm 2 3/4 down. Then I can put plywood on that. But before I put the plywood, I'm going to put a whole bunch of 2x6s in here, so that it's got a lot of support. And I also put a 2x6 across there. And that's probably what I'll do next, and then I'll do all the 2x4s. So I'm going to measure from there to there, 40.5 inches. Then I'll custom cut a 2x, go to the slope and then back up. 40.5 inches, okay. All right, we'll see in a bit. All right, so now we've put in all the 2x's that are cut and screwed off 3 per. We have a 2x right here, 2x4, and these are 2x6s. Now we got to put plywood in, and if you notice, this runs uphill here, so our drain is right there. Okay,